Imagine turning $1,000 into more than $3,600 with just one stock in 1 year. Well, that's literally what happened in 2025, but here's the crazy part. It wasn't just one company, it was 5 stocks that rode a couple of massive trends to unbelievable gains. So what were these trends? And more importantly, are these stocks still a genius buy for next year, or a massive trap waiting to destroy your money? Let's find out. The stock that absolutely destroyed the market in 2025 was Western Digital, but it wasn't a fluke. It was the leader of a pack that posted insane returns, from 138% all the way up to a mind-blowing 261%. In this video, we are breaking down every single one of these 5 winners. I'm not just telling you what they are, I'm showing you exactly why they won. These gains weren't random. They were driven by 2 powerful forces that took over 2025. The first was the AI data tsunami, an insane tidal wave of demand for the physical hardware that makes AI work. The second was a huge surge in things like gold and crypto, as investors scrambled for safety and gambled in a crazy, volatile world. For each company, we'll look at the catalyst that lit the fuse on its incredible run. Then, I'll give you my final verdict. Is it a smart buy for 2026, or a trap you need to avoid? Let's go. The AI data tsunami, Micron Technology, MU. Coming in at number 5 is Micron Technology, ticker MU, which posted a wild gain of over 178% in 2025. 178%. Micron is a beast that makes special computer memory that is absolutely critical for training and running advanced AI. The reason Micron exploded is simple. The AI revolution isn't just code, it's built on a mountain of hardware. Micron sells the memory chips that are like a short-term brain for powerful AI. As giants like Nvidia, Google, and Microsoft raced to build bigger data centers, they developed a bottomless appetite for Micron's products. This wasn't a slow build, it was an all-out emergency buying frenzy. Demand for their best memory got so extreme that Micron was reportedly sold out of its best chips all the way into 2026, giving them insane power to raise prices and make so much money. So, what's the call for next year? Is Micron a buy or a trap? I'm calling Micron a speculative buy. Look, the engine behind this, the AI build-out, is not a one-year fad. It's a multi-year supercycle that's just getting started. Analysts think this boom has at least another year or 2 left. While a 178% gain means the easy money has been made, the sustained demand for its products makes it a fantastic way to keep betting on the AI hardware trend. The AI data tsunami, Seagate Technology, or STX. Next up at number 4, we have another winner from the AI data tsunami, Seagate Technology, ticker STX. Seagate shot up over 217% in 2025, riding the same wave as Micron but from a completely different angle. While Micron handles the fast memory, Seagate provides the giant, long-term storage. The why for Seagate is all about old-school hard drives. Sure, SSDs are fast, but when you need to store ridiculously huge datasets for AI, nothing is cheaper than a giant hard drive. Data centers are being built like crazy, and they are like giant empty warehouses that need to be filled with something. Seagate and our number 1 stock basically own this entire market. This flood of demand from AI let Seagate absolutely crush its earnings. This turned what everyone thought was an old tech company into a surprise hero of the AI boom. So, the verdict? A buy or a trap? Like Micron, I'm calling Seagate a speculative buy. The logic is almost identical. The core reason for its success is still firing on all cylinders. The global data storage market is projected to literally almost double by 2030. Seagate is a pure bet on that growth. But, after a 217% run, you have to be careful. Some big players are now betting that it will go down. So, while the story is solid, the price is high. It's a buy only if you believe the insane hunger for data storage will keep surprising everyone. The retail revolution. Robinhood Markets, Hood. Alright, for our third stock, we are completely switching gears. It's Robinhood Markets, ticker Hood, which handed investors a stunning 233% gain in 2025. Robinhood's story this year had nothing to do with AI. It was about the wild return of the retail trader and a boom in speculative assets. The reason for Robinhood's insane run was a perfect storm. First, market hype brought traders back to the app in huge numbers. Second, Robinhood launched new products like 24-hour ROIs. Autobroen so turn and grind. And a massive crypto rally was like pouring gasoline on the fire. Crypto revenue on the platform soared, jumping 154% in the first 9 months of the year. This combo led to record-breaking results. But after a 233% pop, is Robinhood a smart buy or a really dangerous trap? This is the first one on our list I'm calling a potential trap. Listen, the company's amazing growth is chained to market hype, and hype can vanish in a heartbeat. A 233% gain screams it's gone too far, and the stock is now super expensive. And here's the biggest red flag: company insiders have been selling a lot of stock over the last 6 months with zero buys. When a stock is running on pure momentum and the insiders are running for the exits, that's a huge warning sign for everyone else. The gold rush of 2025, Newmont, NEM. Our number 2 performer takes us to a completely different universe: precious metals. The world's biggest gold miner, Newmont, ticker NEM, surged over 138% in 2025. The why for Newmont is a story as old as time: the price of gold. In 2025, gold had a historic run as people got nervous and looked for a safe place to put their money. For investors, buying a top miner like Newmont is like a leveraged bet on gold itself. And Newmont proved it, with its stock gains blowing past the gains in actual gold. This was fueled by the company running a super tight ship. They kept beating earnings, kept costs low, and used their massive cash to reward investors. So what's the verdict on Newmont for 2026? Buy or trap? I'm calling Newmont a buy, with caution. The company itself is a rock-solid beast. Analysts are super positive, with expectations for earnings to keep growing over 74% next year. But that caution part is key. Newmont's fate is tied directly to the price of gold. If you think gold is going to keep climbing in 2026, then Newmont is the best-in-class way to get in on it. But if gold reverses, Newmont stock will go down with it. It's a buy, but only if you're also betting on gold. The king of 2025, Western Digital, WDC. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The king of 2025. The number 1 stock in the S&P 500 with a jaw-dropping, mind-blowing 261.1% gain is Western Digital, ticker WDC. This company is the ultimate story of the AI data tsunami. The why is crystal clear. Like its rival Seagate, Western Digital makes the giant hard drives that form the backbone of AI data centers. The explosive demand let WDC raise prices and boost profits. But Western Digital had an extra rocket booster. The company split itself into 2 separate businesses, and Wall Street loved this move because it turned WDC into a pure-play leader in the hard drive space. This sharp focus, combined with the AI boom, led to monster financial results. The company consistently smashed earnings estimates. After a 261% run, can it possibly still be a buy? Or is this the most obvious trap of them all? Despite the massive gain, I am calling Western Digital a buy. The case is simply that strong. Wall Street analysts overwhelmingly rate the stock a strong buy, with price targets suggesting it still has room to run higher. The AI supercycle isn't over, and WDC is one of its biggest winners. The company even brought back its dividend and started a huge share buyback program, which is management screaming that they're confident about the future. Western Digital was the king of 2025, and the trends that put it there are still very much in play for 2026. So, there you have it, the 5 stocks that owned the market in 2025. 3 of them, Western Digital, Seagate, and Micron, were powered by the very real physical demand from the AI build-out. Newmont cashed in on the timeless appeal of gold, and 1, Robinhood, surfed a massive wave of retail speculation. If there's one lesson here, it's that the biggest trends were tied to real-world demand. The AI boom isn't just hype, it requires building billions of dollars worth of actual stuff, and the companies selling the picks and shovels, or in this case, the memory and storage, are the ones who won big. Looking to 2026, that AI trend seems like the one with the most gas left in the tank. It makes Western Digital, and to a slightly riskier degree, Seagate and Micron, really compelling stories. Newmont is still a solid hedge if you're nervous, while Robinhood is the one that flashes the most warning signs. What do you think? Drop a comment below and let me know which of these stocks you're watching for next year, which ones are a buy, and which are a trap. If you got some value from this video, do me a huge favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the stocks and trends moving the markets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.